Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is endocrine gland. Endocrine gland is the collection of glands that produce hormones that regulate metabolism. These are the functions of an hormone. Endocrine system is our ductless system, whereas exocrine glands are duct glands. They have duct. Endocrine glands secrete their secretions directly into the bloodstream. The hormone regulates metabolism, growth, development, tissue function, sexual functions, reproduction, sleep, mood, and among other things. Endocrine glands are the glands of endocrine system that secrete their products, hormones, directly into the bloodstream rather than through a duct. From blood streams, hormones are conveyed to the target cell where they are going to act or perform their functions. Now, what are the hormones function? Hormones mainly function in reproduction and sexual differentiations, development and growth, maintenance of internal environment that is also called as homeostasis, and regulation of metabolism and nutrient supply. Now the endocrine system is consist of glands, hypothalamus, pituitary gland. Pituitary is again divided into anterior and posterior pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus, pancreas. Pancreas is dual gland. It is endocrine as well as exocrine gland. Adrenal gland, testes, ovaries, testes present in male, ovaries present in female, and pineal gland. Now pineal gland secretes melatonin hormone. Its action is on circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm is the action that is repeated in 24 hours. We have studied that there is such a system present in plants that is called as biological clock. If we put any plant into darkness, it will continue its function as it was doing in light. If that function is repeated in 24 hours, then it is called as circadian rhythm. It is controlled by hormone melatonin that is secreted by pineal gland, anti-pituitary gland that secretes gonadotrophic hormone and it promotes cell growth. Posterior pituitary gland secretes ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and it mainly perform action by water balance. It increases the reabsorption of water. Thyroid gland mainly secretes T4 and T3 hormones and it function in metabolism. And thyroid also secretes calcitonin. That action is it lowers the blood calcium. Parathyroid is a gland that secretes parathyroid hormone and it raises the blood calcium. They are antagonists to each other. Parathyroid hormone PTH raises the blood calcium, but in this action calcitonin lowers blood calcium level. Now, pancreas, the endocrine part of the pancreas secretes two hormones, insulin and glucagon. They are also antagonists to each other. Insulin lowers blood sugar level, whereas glucagon raises blood sugar level. Adrenal cortex releases glucocorticoids hormones, which mainly function as anti-inflammatory. Now the other gland is adrenal medulla, which secretes epinephrine hormone. Epinephrine hormone as function as fight or flight response. या तो आप वहां खड़े होके सामना करें या भाग जाएं. That action is known as fight or flight. Ovary is an endocrine gland that is present in female. Ovary is a endocrine gland that is present in female and it secretes estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormone acts on female sex characteristics. And testes, which is also an endocrine gland, but it secretes testosterone hormone. It promotes male sex characteristic or secondary characteristics of the male. Now this is an outline. Endocrine system is body hormonal system. Endocrine gland secretes chemical hormones directly into the blood stream. This is the main theme of endocrine gland, that it secretes directly into the blood. The pituitary gland, a key endocrine hormone located at the base of brain. It is directly controlled by hypothalamus because it is attached with hypothalamus by a structure known as infundibulum. Infundibulum connects pituitary gland with hypothalamus. It is also known as master gland that triggers the release of hormone from all other glands and produce growth hormones. दिस इज कॉल्ड मास्टर ग्लैंड से उनमें से भी सीक्रेशन ये बढ़ा देता है. ग्रोथ हार्मोन क्या करता है, ये ग्रोथ को रेगुलेट करता है और ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज कर देगा. थायराइड हार्मोन फंक्शन ऑन ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. टेस्टिस दैट इज आल्सो एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन मेल. इट प्रोड्यूसेस टेस्टोस्टेरोन एंड अदर एंड्रोजन्स. टेस्टोस्टेरोन क्या करता है, ये स्पेसिफिक मेल हार्मोन है. एंड एडोलेसेंस एंड एंड्रोजन्स क्या है, जनरल टर्म फॉर मेल हार्मोन्स. Ovaries that secretes estrogen and progesterone. This is the endocrine gland present in female. Estrogen की female hormone है. ये क्या करती है, responsible for development of adult sex organs. Ovaries क्या करती है, development करवाती है adult sex organs की. Progesterone ये भी एक की female hormone है. ये क्या करता है, critical for menstruation cycle. Adrenal gland contributes to the maturation of bones and muscles. Endocrine glands continue function throughout lifespan. What to do? What do the endocrine glands secretes? Endocrine glands are glands of the endocrine system that secretes their secretions or products directly into the blood rather than through a duct. जो हमारे पास मेन एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स है, दे आर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, पेनक्रियाज. पेनक्रियाज इज ड्यूअल ग्लैंड, इट हैज एन एक्सोक्राइन पार्ट आल्सो, ओवरीज, टेस्टिस, ईटीसी. अब ग्लैंड क्या करता है, ग्लैंड इज a group of cells that make hormones and send into the blood. एंड वहां ब्लड से वो फिर वहां टारगेट सेल पे जाता है जहां उसे अपना काम करना है. डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स के डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है. दे मेनली एक्ट बाय 3 मेन मैकेनिज्म. या तो वो सेल परमेबिलिटी चेंज कर देंगे, या वो क्या करेंगे, जीन एक्सप्रेशन से एक्ट करेंगे, या दे विल रादर एक्ट बाय सेकंड मैसेंजरी सिस्टम. Here our topics end. Thank you very much. Hope it will be clear to you. It is just introduction of endocrine glands.